Fitzgerald here, VP product here, Blustream in the US. Very busy booth, but here at InfoComm in Las Vegas. Wanted to talk and show you a little bit of some of our AV over IP solutions. So Blustream, no stranger in this category for AV over IP. We've got a number of different solutions, but one of our certainly most popular and the one that most people are talking about is our 300 series. Now we've had a white USB-C with PD capability input along with HDMI in a nice dual Decora wall plate version in white. And then we've got the new and exciting black version, which again, just adding to the lineup, but probably more importantly is going to be the chassis version of this that has USB-C and it's got HDMI capability. Now what makes this so special is that we haven't forced people into using things like PoE Plus or higher in power management if you want to do something like adding PD capabilities to your USB or video over IP solution. So we've augmented it in the sense that you can use an external power supply to get it if and when you want it. So the chassis version coming out very soon, along with everything else here from Blustream in terms of video over IP. And cannot forget, of course, our ACM 1000, which is our recently released new controller that we're demoing here that adds scheduling functionality. It adds macro capabilities, the control of your source and your display devices at the same time, including on-screen GUIs, but that really augmenting the control functionality of AV over IP that gives you a final interface in many cases, or use it in tandem with your control system. So all these solutions and more, of course, can be found at Blustream on the web at www.blustream.us.com.